So recently, stem cells have become a popular topic in the past decade due to its many interesting properties. Here, I'll explain it for you. So, this tree is a good example of a stem cell. So, this main trunk right here, let's say that's a stem cell, and it can branch into many different forms, such as liver cells, brain cells, etc. So there are two types of stem cells, embryonic and adult stem cells. Embryonic come from a human embryo that's 3 to 5 days old, and adult stem cells are found in little amounts in tissues such as bone marrow and fat. There are also two different processes. One is self-renewal, where it becomes the same stem cell over and over again, and the other one is differentiation, which lets allow specializing different types of cells.
There have been many clinical trials regarding stem cells to cure diseases. In general, a clinical trial is when patients with a certain disorder take an experimental drug under very close supervision to see if it has any effects or side effects. There have been many clinical trials, not just for stem cells. For example, medications are often in clinical trial stages such as a cure for HIV or even peanut allergy therapy. One disorder that can be cured with stem cell therapy is Parkinson's. Parkinson's is a common, chronic, and incurable degeneration of brain cells. A lot of the brain is affected, but there's a critical loss of dopaminergic neurons. With stem cells, we can target only the areas where the neurons have been degenerated. In the past, medication just increased the amount of dopamine the receptors are firing, which is not a direct solution to the problem of the degenerated neurons in the first place. The whole goal is to replace the damaged neurons and make it fire dopamine normally. Currently, this is only a theory, but researchers are trying hard to make it a reality.
Another disorder that researchers are looking to treat is myocardial infractions. We'll call it MI for simplicity. They're also known as heart attacks, and it's currently the leading cause of death in the world. MIs happen when blood flow is reduced to the heart, and this leads to the heart muscle being destroyed. Current medications don't treat the root cause of the problem, and instead do stuff like reduce blood pressure. Using stem cells, we can regenerate the heart muscle and improve function. Currently, their benefits are minimal and is still being developed. So it sure is an exciting time for stem cells and its role to cure disorders previously thought incurable. This, I believe, is the wave of the future. Thank you.